Hello and welcome to our latest video review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Pictory.ai, an AI-based video creation tool that can automatically generate short, branded videos from long-form content. Video content is becoming increasingly popular, and with the rise of social media, it's more important than ever to have high-quality videos to promote your brand. But producing videos can be time-consuming and costly. That's where Pictory.ai comes in. It's a tool that I am using to create professional quality videos quickly and easily, without the need for expensive equipment or software. First, let's examine the capabilities of Pictory.ai. The tool can automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long-form content, whether it's a script, blog post, or even a Zoom, Teams and webinar recording. It uses advanced artificial intelligence, AI, to extract the most important parts of your content and turn them into a visually appealing and engaging video. This allows you to easily repurpose your content and share it across your social media platforms. One of the most interesting features of Pictory.ai is the ability to turn scripts into high-conversion video sales letters. This is a great option for businesses and individuals who want to create promotional videos for their products or services. This is also very useful for YouTube creators to save time and money on video production, and ensure that their videos are high quality and effective. Pictory.ai can also be used to turn blog posts into engaging videos, which are a great way to boost search engine rankings and increase readership. Auto-captioning is another fantastic feature offered by Pictory.ai. You can easily and quickly add captions to your videos, which is great for increasing reach and saves you money as you no longer need to pay someone to add captions manually. Recent studies suggest that 85% of social media videos are watched on mute, so captions are essential if you want to reach the maximum number of people. Now let's see Pictory.ai in action. The example that I'm using here is a short YouTube script on the benefits of e-bikes. I'll input the script into Pictory.ai and let it do its magic. So I'll just enter the title and then I'll paste in my script which I created earlier. Now we can check that all the scene settings are how we want them and proceed. Now I'm going to select a template. There's plenty of templates built in. We use this one, and now it's using my script to create a storyboard. And there we are. We can now change some settings. For example, I don't like the size of the captions, so I'll reduce those, and we can apply that to all slides. I'm going to use a voiceover, apply that to all slides and also some background music. Now, we can preview the video. I think you'll agree that straight away we've got a very usable video, but we can still improve it further. I can change some of the videos to be what I want them to be. So if we select visuals, for example, I can find a scene, let's say this one where I want to change it. We want to replace that video. Say with one that includes a picture of a bike or a video of a bike. I like that one. Let's use that one and we can do the same for any other scenes where we want to change the video. So I'll just skip to the end to show you what the final video looked like.
Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of e-bikes over traditional bicycles. E-bikes, also known as electric bicycles, are a modern twist on the traditional bicycle. They have a small electric motor that provides assistance when pedaling, making it easier to ride uphill or against the wind.
This AI tool is able to produce a video in no time and with minimal effort. Now let's talk about some of the pros of using Pictory.ai. One of the biggest benefits is its cost effectiveness. It's a great option for businesses and individuals who want to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. Additionally, it's easy to use and does not require any technical skills, so anyone can use it. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and understand even for those who have no experience in video editing. One aspect to consider is the pricing. Pictory.ai offers a free trial and flexible pricing plans that are designed to suit different budgets and needs. You can sign up for your free Pictory trial account using the link in the description box and get 20% off any plan for life using my coupon code. Also in the description box, to save you time, I have included direct links to each of the features offered by Pictory.ai so that you can go directly to the ones that interest you. It's a great opportunity to save on the cost while still getting high-quality videos, and it is worth noting that it is very reasonably priced compared to hiring a professional video editing team. To summarize, Pictory.ai is an excellent option for those looking for an easy and cost-effective way to generate videos from scripts. Its user-friendly interface makes it suitable for businesses, content creators, and marketers. Additionally, Pictory.ai is in partnership with Storyblocks, Hootsuite, Google, and Amazon, which adds more credibility and reliability to the tool. In conclusion, Pictory.ai is a great tool for anyone looking to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. Its user-friendly interface, advanced AI technology, and cost-effectiveness make it a great option for content creators, businesses, and marketers. If you're interested in trying Pictory.ai for yourself, don't forget to take advantage of the 20% discount on their plans by using my affiliate link and coupon code in the description box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.